ever wonder why the moon glows at night? Let's ponder over this cosmic mystery together. You see, contrary to what some might think, our lunar friend the moon doesn't have its own light. It's not a big cosmic lantern hanging in the sky. Then why does it shine so brightly, you ask? Well, the answer lies in a simple yet fascinating phenomenon. The moon acts as a colossal mirror, reflecting sunlight back to us here on Earth. Just as we use a mirror to see our reflection, the moon borrows light from the sun and throws it back our way. It's a bit like when you shine a flashlight on a shiny object in a dark room. The object doesn't glow by itself, but with the help of your flashlight, it lights up, reflecting the light back at you. So the next time you gaze up at the night sky, remember, the moon is like a giant mirror in the sky. Did you ever notice that the moon seems to change shape every night? Now, don't let this bewilder you, because the moon isn't pulling a magic trick on us. It's all about perspective. You see, the moon is like an eager dancer, twirling around the Earth in a cosmic ballet. This merry dance is what we call an orbit. As it pirouettes, different parts of the moon catch the sun's rays and reflect them back to us. Imagine a spotlight on a spinning disco ball. The glimmers of light you see, they change as the disco ball spins, right? That's pretty much what's happening with the moon. The different shapes we see from Earth are just the sun's light shining on different parts of the moon. When the moon is fully lit, we call it a full moon. When it's just a sliver of light, it's a crescent. But remember, the moon isn't a magician. So, the moon isn't really changing shape, it's just showing us different sides of itself. What would it be like to walk on the moon? Imagine stepping onto a landscape that's not smooth like the Earth's. The moon's surface is a fascinating patchwork of craters, which are essentially holes created by rocks, known as meteorites. These meteorites crash into the moon and leave behind their marks for us to marvel at. But that's not all. The moon's surface is also coated in a fine layer of dust, resembling a cosmic beach. This lunar dust, unlike beach sand, is razor-sharp and clingy, making it quite the challenge for astronauts and their equipment. Now here's the most exciting part. The moon's gravity is much weaker than the Earth's. This means if you were to hop around on the moon, you could jump 6 times higher than here on Earth. Imagine the leaps and bounds you could make. So, walking on the moon would be a bouncy, dusty adventure.